bird and bacon roulade. So let's have a look at the ingredients. We need a nice plump breast or piece of breast of a bird. It can be a medium-sized chicken breast like this, or it can be uncooked turkey. And we're going to cut that into rashers. We also have some cooking oil. Now here you'll see this has got bits in it. This is an infusion of olive oil and garlic, which I just keep, which I find handy, but you can use just plain olive oil or just plain cooking oil if you want. We're going to use that to lubricate it before cooking, and I like to use a little paprika, which gives it a little bite, but again you could use black pepper if you like, or indeed anything else. But the idea of this is it's very simple, and the other thing we need of course is a sharp knife and a dish to put the roulade in to go into the oven. So let's first of all take this, and we will prepare this chicken breast in slices. I'm only going to do 3. Alright, so what we're going to do here is simply to go through here, cut this through into a thin slice like this, and we'll do another one. It's important to have a sharp knife so that you can cut cleanly through the meat, and you can see that we've cut such nice thin rashers from the breast of meat. And we can do this again, and we will get 7 or 8 probably out of this size of chicken breast. These are quite substantial, as you'll see when they're assembled. So there we go, there's our 3. I'm going to put the remainder of this to one side. And now all we do is to take this. We can either use long sticks or skewers, where we can put several, or we can use just plain ordinary cocktail sticks and do them individually. Well, I'm going to do them individually on this occasion. This is a lovely recipe for a barbecue, by the way. And you can brochette, that is to say skewer, a number of these brochettes and put them on the barbecue. They do need cooking well through, but they make an absolutely lovely... I'll tell you what I'll do. Before I actually roll this up, I'm going to put a tiny amount of paprika. There we go. And that can now be skewered through to hold it together, and we'll put it on the baking tray there, on the baking dish. But there we go, that's basically that. Now what I'm going to do is just to drizzle a little oil over it. I like to just put a few drips onto the end so it goes through into the middle. There we go. Turn them over so they're well covered in the oil, and then this then goes into the oven. The prepared roulades then go in the oven, a roasting oven, at about 240 degrees for about 20 minutes or until well cooked through. You need to cut through them to make absolutely sure they're cooked. If you cook them on a barbecue, then you have to be very careful that you not just cook them on the outside and leave them uncooked in the middle, so you really will need to test them carefully. When you remove the cocktail sticks, the best way is to put a fork across the cocktail stick and then rotate, just twist the cocktail stick without bending it, and that way it will release it from the roulade and you can pull it free. You can either serve them on fresh cocktail sticks, or you can slice them into discs, and again, you know, they can either be a finger buffet or a snack, or you can put them on a plate with some sort of sauce as a starter. So they're quite versatile. They can be eaten hot or cold.